Alright, me and my boy, we here with Friday the 7th, man. How you feel? Tell the people how you feel to be back in.
Yeah, man. I'll be back in LIB soon, man. But I'm here with my brothers. Then I was just passing by on the phone, and the minute recognized me, they called the boy Friday. I said, hey, yo, who's that? They say, oh, your boy. So
right?
I teaming up with my man. They got coming out with one rap. He coming out with one rap. He gonna be rapping
Check
one of my hottest stuff that coming out 2014, man. So the two of them gonna be rapping in it. What's your name, man?
All right. First of all, yo, I'm LG, yo. And I'll be on the map all day, baby. So. Yo, this my man, Friday the 7th, man.
Checking out.
I got a lot of respect for him, yo.
Yeah.
So, yo, we need our attention to our niggas, man. I got to pay, man. Everybody see these.
Y'all buy a CD? Yeah, get out of this. Alright, this me.
Yeah.
I just gave me a permission to my man on Friday the 7th, man. Y'all go check your show out on
July 14th. Yeah. African Culture Center. We're going to be there live, man.
Yeah,
you guys going to be doing a rap. I'm going to be,
we're going to be performing. Yeah, me and my man Friday the 7th.
Yeah. All right. Ciao.